Hello guys, my name is ATP and welcome to a brand new episode of the Testing Your Strategy series, a series where I show and test different trading strategies suggested by you. In today's video, the strategy suggested is based on the zero lag MACD indicator, and it made a profit of 140% just in December 2023. And you will see the proven results in a few minutes. Throughout this video, I will showcase the indicators and settings from this strategy. I will define all the rules for entries, exits and risk management, and after that I will show you all the real and proven results of it. And before we jump into this profitable strategy, I just want to give a quick shout out to our subscriber Ben MF for suggesting this strategy. Thank you for supporting the channel and congratulations Ben, you are winning a month of free access to my Patreon tier 1, which will allow you to pick for free a trading bot from this list that you can find in my Patreon or in the video description. Tag me on Discord to claim your prize. If any of you are wondering how to grab this opportunity for yourself, it is quite simple. You just have to share with me a strategy that you would like to see tested on my channel, and if I pick it up and use it to create a video like this one, you will have your free access to one of my strategies. You can do that in the comments down below or in the video ideas channel from my free Discord community, so don't miss out. As usual, this strategy will be analyzed and tested on TradingView. Let's add to the Indicators tab, click on it, and the first indicator you will need to search for is the Zero Lag MACD Enhanced version 1.2, and you can pick this one. It is free to use. Next, let's type Kim Jong-sun, and you can use this one. And finally, let's insert the Ease of Movement, a volume indicator provided by TradingView. And that's it. Now let's analyze each indicator. The Zero Lag MACD is a technical trading indicator that was created to reduce the lag we usually find in traditional MACD signals. It employs advanced mathematical calculations to provide more accurate buy and sell signals. By default, it is formed by three lines: the white one, which is the signal line, the darker one, which is the MACD line, and this red one, called EMA on MACD line, which for today's strategy we will not use. The default settings are 12, 26, 9 and 9, and you don't need to change them. Every time the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it means that the momentum on the market has turned bullish, and the green dot appears on the histogram. And every time the signal line crosses above the MACD line, it means that the momentum on the market has turned bearish, and the purple dot appears on the histogram. And you can use these signals to enter in positions. But to improve the accuracy of this strategy, we will only consider buy signals from the Zero Lag MACD that appear under the histogram and sell signals that appear above it. Then the other two indicators will work as additional filters. The Kim Jong-sun, which by the way needs to have a period of 35, will be our trend indicator, and as such we will only consider buy signals from the Zero Lag MACD if the price is above the Kim Jong-sun line, and sell signals if the price is below it. The Ease of Movement with the default settings will be our volume indicator, and you will need to insert a line on the zero level of its histogram, in a way that we will only consider buy signals if the Ease of Movement line is above the zero line, and sell signals if it is below it. For the risk management, as usual, I will use the ATR indicator to place the stop losses, and the take profits will always be on the 1 to 1.2 risk to reward zone. Regarding the stop losses, I will use the formula 2.5 times the ATR pip value to calculate them, but you can use this indicator called ATR bands to know where to insert your stop losses all the time without needing to calculate this formula. Just go to its settings, change the ATR multipliers to 2.5 and the colors to red, and now you know exactly where to place the stop losses. Before jumping to the test, I will show you two trade examples. Here on the BTC USD chart, very recently on January 24th this year, you can see that a valid long entry signal appeared. The Zero Lag MACD gave a long signal below the histogram, the closing price was above the Kim Jong-sun, and the Ease of Movement was above the zero level. And so we would enter at the closing of the signal candle, with the stop loss on the lower ATR band and the take profit on the 1 to 1.2 risk to reward ratio zone, so about here. And in a short period, this trade will be a profitable one. In the second example, even more recent, on January 28th, you can see that a valid short signal appeared. The zero lag MACD gave a short signal above the histogram, the closing price was below the Kijun Sen, and the ease of movement was below the zero level. And so we would enter at the closing of the signal candle with the stop loss on the upper ATR band and the take profit on the 1 to 1.2 risk to reward ratio zone, so about here. And again, this would be another profitable trade, but this doesn't mean this strategy is profitable at all. We need to perform a big backtest to discover that. And so, let's jump to that part of the video. Here I have a new trading journal that I will use to study the statistics of the zero lag MACD. And these are the conditions I will use. I will perform the backtest on the 5-minute time frame from these 10 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and some other altcoins, using the data sample from the last 2 months to get an analysis of 1,000 trades, just like my subscriber asked. The initial capital will be $1,000 with a 2% risk per trade without compounding the potential profits. I will insert every trade on this Excel to discover every statistic and ratio about it, and also to see what the equity chart looks like. And although this backtest seems to be a big one that probably would take you some months to perform manually, I will do it in the faster and most efficient way possible by coding this strategy in a new trading bot with these exact trading rules. I will do it and I will be right back.
A few moments later.
The code is ready and my trading bot is all set. As you can see, it respects all the rules of this strategy, enters and exits from every trade in seconds and with high precision, and it also displays every trade on the chart with the respective stop loss and take profit. And here on its menu, I can customize every single detail to optimize it and also scale my profits. If you'd like to get access to this trading tool, stay tuned until the end of the video, because now I will jump to the backtest. I will apply this trading bot on the 10 cryptocurrencies I told you before, and I will download all the trades it performs to add them to my Excel. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings to check all the results. These are the results of the zero lag MACD strategy from the test I've just performed. After analyzing exactly 1,000 trades from December 1st, 2023 to January 4th, 2024, we can see that in these conditions, the win rate of this strategy was about 47.6% and it had a net profit of 160%, or an average monthly profit of 142%, which was the profit during December. It had a profit factor of 1.2, an average drawdown of 13%, and a maximum one of 41%. By looking at the equity chart, we can see that it was very consistent and efficient. This is a beautiful equity curve. Of course, you can and should improve it or perform additional tests like Monte Carlo simulations that you can perform automatically by using my trading journal template, which you can find on the Trading Journal channel from my free Discord community. And now you know all the rules about this strategy and know exactly what to expect by using it to trade on the live markets. But if you'd like to backtest it on other assets to further optimize it or even to use it to automate your trading, you can access this trading bot I created. The bot calculates everything for you in seconds, including the lot size, deals with stop losses and take profits, and applies every single condition without mistakes. You can check this video on my channel to see how the bot works. The link to that video is in the description. And you can have access to it and many other trading bots with different trading strategies by becoming a member of my Patreon starting at just $4. All the links, both to access my Patreon and to find out what bots I have available at the moment, are in the description as well. Besides that, I can also give you the opportunity to work one-on-one with me, whether to create your personal trading strategy, conduct professional statistical studies and robustness tests for your strategy, or even if you'd like to have a meeting with me so I can help you in your personal needs. All that information is on my website, algotradepro.org. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Be well, thank you and bye bye.